Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking ratings, tongue weight and trailer gross axle weight, because mismatches cause poor load distribution. Next, position the receiver shank so the hitch head sits level with the trailer coupler. Insert and secure the pin. Once done, snug the head bolts to manufacturer torque. This sets a stable base. Make sure the ball is the correct diameter for your coupler and that the coupler seats fully. This prevents binding when you add spring bars. Now you attach the spring bars. Lift one bar into the lift bracket on the head and rotate it into the other bracket on the trailer frame. Secure both with pins and clips. Once both bars are seated, apply a small preload by tightening the adjustment clamp or using the manufacturer's specified setting. This begins transferring tongue weight to the axles. Make sure bars sit flat and not twisted. Uneven bars cause sway and poor handling. Check that. Finish by lowering the trailer onto the coupler to establish final ride height, then tighten all anchors and retorque shank and head fasteners. You should take a short, careful test drive to feel handling. Once stopped, recheck hardware and make final tension adjustments. If you notice sway, nose sag, or harsh rebound, re-evaluate bar angle and preload and confirm trailer load is centered. One troubleshooting tip: if persistent sway occurs, slightly increase preload or add load forward 1 to 2 inches and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.